Morning, Sawadika.
May pabang si ate mo ngayong araw na to.
Oo, diba? Para ibang flavor naman.
Oo.
Because we're going to the museum and then after that, we're going to rehearse for the fashion show.
Bagay rin pala sa'yo may bangs no, hindi ko na-realize. Yeah, natutuwa ako sa'yo araw-araw, iba-iba yung look mo.
Thank you, I love this also. This look is so good. Yes, thank you. He gave it to me, thank you. Yeah, like everyone is wearing flower before. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
Hello, Austin.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Bell. Bell together เลย